Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, we can write this as x squared over 36, 6 times 6, also 6 squared, equals to, here also we have 6 squared over x squared. The next step here, we cross multiply, that is x squared times x squared here, equals to 6 squared times 6 squared here. That is here. This follows when we have a times a, which is something as a square. And what we have here becomes x square all square equals to, also here we have 6 square all square. From here we take the right hand side to the left hand side and we have x square all square minus 6 square all square equals to 0 here. Then this follows when we have a square minus b square, which is something as a plus b into brackets, open bracket, a minus b. This here, a standing as x squared and b standing as 6 squared. This, what we have here becomes x squared plus 6 squared into bracket, open bracket, x squared minus 6 squared, close bracket, equals to 0 here. Then here we have two possible cases, that is x squared plus 6 squared equals to 0, or we have x squared minus 6 squared equals to 0 here. Then solving on this side, this follows when we have a squared plus b squared, which is something as a plus bi into bracket, also open bracket, a minus bi. This here, this becomes x plus 6i into bracket, open bracket, x minus 6i, close bracket, equals to 0 here. Also, we have two possible cases, x plus 6i equals to 0, or we have x minus 6i equals to 0 here. That is, here we have x equals to minus 6i here, which is a complex solution. And here we have x equals to 6i, which is also a complex solution here. Then solving from the second case here, that is x squared minus a squared equals to 0. This also follows when we have a squared minus b squared, which is equals to a plus b into bracket, open bracket, a minus b. That is here, this becomes x plus 6 into bracket, then open bracket, x minus 6, close bracket, equals to 0 here. Also here, we have two possible cases, x plus 6 equals to 0, or we have x minus 6 equals to 0 here. Solving here, we have x equals to minus 6, which is a real solution here. And here we also have x equals to 6, which is also a real solution here, making two real solutions and two complex solutions. And when we write it out here, we have x1 written as x1 equals to 6, x2 equals to minus 6, x3 equals to 6i, and x4 equals to minus 6i. As this, we have four solutions together, two real and two complex. Now, when we check here, if this satisfies this given problem, substitute the value of x. When x equals to 6, this becomes 6 squared over 36. Is this equals to 36 over 6 squared? That is here, 6 squared, 6 times 6, that's also 36 over 36. Is it equals to, also here we have 36 over 36. And 36 over 36 here, same thing as 1. which is equals to 1 here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. That is here 6 satisfy this given problem. Then also substitute x equals to minus 6. Then what we have here becomes minus 6 whole square over 36 is it equals to 36 over minus 6 whole square. And here minus 6 whole square give us plus 36, minus square give us plus. So we have 36 over 36 is it equals to, also here we have 36 over 36. 36 over 36, that's 1, which is equals to 1. Left hand side also equals to the right hand side. That is here x equals to minus 6 satisfy this given problem. Then also we substitute x equals to 6i. That is what we have become 6i all squared over 36 is it equals to 36 over 6i all squared. Then here this square affects 6. We have 6 squared times also I square over 36 is it equals to, also here we have 36 over 6 square times I square. We should know that I square equals to minus 1. That is here we have 6 square, which is 36 and times minus 1 now over 36 is it equals to 36 over 36 times minus 1. Here 36 cancelled each other. We have minus 1 is equals to, also here 36 cancel each other, 1 over minus 1. This here we have minus 1 equals to 1 over minus 1, also minus 1. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. Then x equals to 6i satisfy this given problem. Also we substitute x equals to minus 6i. That is what we have here becomes minus 6i all squared over 36 is it equals to 36 over minus 6i all squared. That is here minus square turn to plus 6 square 36, then I square minus 1, then over 36 is it equals to, also here we have 36 over 36 times minus 1. And also here we have 36 cancel each other, minus 1 is it equals to, also 36 cancel each other, we have 1 over minus 1. Then here this gives us minus 1 equals to 1 over minus 1, also minus 1. Left hand side equals to the right hand side, and therefore we conclude that minus 6i also satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn on notification bell. Share this video, give it a thumbs up and put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.